Hey, what's up? What is front-end development? In this video, we will talk about what it is. Website development is divided into front-end and back-end development. Front-end development is responsible for client side, and back-end is for server side. Client side consists of user interface of website or web application. There are three languages we need to learn in front-end development, which are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Three languages work together to build a complete front-end web page. HTML is used to create basic structure of a web page. This is an example web page created by using HTML only. The button does not have any function as there is no JavaScript to write the code for function. It is not attractive and interactive. That's why we need CSS and JavaScript together to build a complete web page. CSS is a style sheet language used to style and format the appearance of a web page such as font size, text alignment, and animation. JavaScript is used to make web page interactive and build a complex web page, like handle the action such as add to cart. Besides, to make the front-end development more efficient and easier, the frameworks are used in development. There are some popular front-end frameworks such as Vue.js, React, and Angular. Alright, before we can start to develop a web page, we need to set a development environment. If we are using plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript without the framework, the development environment setup is pretty easy. We just need a code editor to write our code and a browser to run and debug our web page. Visual Studio Code is recommended to use as our code editor and Google Chrome as our web browser. Both Visual Studio Code and Chrome are easy to install from official website. The official website link are given in description section below. Now we try to write a simple web page showing some text and button. To run the web page in web browser, we need to select Preview in folder and open the HTML file. Now the website shows. We can open Web Inspector to inspect the web page in order to debug the web page. So now we have completed the setup for the development environment for basic front-end web development. Thank you for watching.